Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you what are the best tires for this car. Factory size commonly 265/70 R18 on 18-inch wheels. For mixed conditions and work leisure dual cap, all-terrain balanced, recommended tires are Goodyear Wrangler AT, BF Goodrich Trail Terrain, Falcon Wildpeak, and for road bias and comfort, Michelin Latitude Cross, Continental CrossContact for quieter, lower fuel use. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.